Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing my first impressions of this new Dior Backstage face and body powder. No powder. Yes, I bought another powder. I just recently bought um one from Tatcha. I have dry skin. I bought this one. Okay, so before I'm going to do my first impressions, if you like to watch makeup reviews, first impressions of new makeup products, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover like myself, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's go and test out the powder. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the packaging, same type of packaging as their Backstage highlighter. This one, actually the powder has more product than the the face palette. Actually really appreciate that because I do not use highlighters all the time, so this one's really nice. Like, it has a little bit more. So, and also the packaging, is feels a little bit more sturdy. It doesn't feel like cheap. I mean, this is $40. The highlighter is like 40, I think 42, $45. So this one, I have the shade in 3 or 3 neutral. And this one, the powder has 11 grams or 0.38 ounces, while the highlighter, I know they're not the same, but I'm just telling you guys the amount of product. 10 grams or 0.35 ounces. It has a little more, like one gram, like a little bit more. Yeah, not that much, but a little bit more. So this is the powder, the Dior powder. They have 10 shades, and yeah, not that greatest, but when I watched this, guys, it was so sheer, like nothing at all. So I feel like 10 shades are not that bad at all, because this just, just too sheer. Like, it doesn't really show up on the skin. I just watch it in the back of my head. So I got the 3N neutral, and I think I also purchased, not a thing, I also purchased, I thought this was new. Actually, this is old. So I also bought the Dior 24-hour Wear Radiant Perfection Foundation. This one maybe came out 2 years ago. I thought this was new. It was the Nude Glow, the new one. Oh, yeah, I bought the new wrong high foundation. So they didn't have, Sephora didn't have the new foundation. I might exchange this to a new one. Let's see, guys. So, and also I also bought this one. I have been eyeing on this for a very long time. This was on my wish list for a very long time, so I decided to get the concealer. So this one, I'm not gonna review the concealer and the foundation, only this one, guys, because this is like the main thing right now. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I do not have anything right now. I'm only eyeshadows. I did my brows, and then my other eyes are a little bit better right now because they were very dry. So let's go read the details about this. So, a weightless translucent powder that reduces shine. I don't have shine, I don't have dry skin. Sets makeup and warms up the complexion. So it has very like coverage, matte. Okay, so pressed powder type. So it's free parabens, formaldehydes, all those, bad stuff. So the Dior Backstage face and body powder, no powder, blurs imperfections, reduces shine, and visibly evens out the complexion for a luminous matte finish. Completely foolproof, this compact powder infused in a gel base applies seamlessly on the skin for a natural non-powdery effect even after multiple touch-ups. So this one has fragrance to this one, yeah, because even the foundation and the concealer, yeah, it has fragrance to it. I actually kind of like the fragrance smell, but some people are allergic to fragrance. So just telling you guys now that this one has fragrance. And I can see like little like glitters on them, but very tiny. So I'm gonna swatch you guys. I mean, it doesn't make sense to swatch it because this is just, I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the foundation that I got, guys. At least for me, this is not exactly new, but new to me. I thought this was the nude one. The Nude Glow is the new one. So I might have to return this one. Let's see if I like this. So I just, I'm gonna show you guys packaging really nice. I'm not gonna talk about so much about this because I'm not, gonna do review, but I'm definitely going to update you guys with all of the complexion products that I purchased. So I have the shade in 3N neutral, same as the powder. Oh my god, this is just a tiny bit dark on me. It's a tiny bit dark. So I think I'm still gonna use this one, and this has fragrance, so I already applied 2 layers. Because you guys really, it's a little bit dark on me right now, so I think I might have to exchange that color. So next, I'm gonna take this, I think, to a 2.5, like this concealer. So this is the Dior Forever. I heard so many great things about this. It's not exactly new, but new to me again. Alright, so I'm gonna set my face. I guess you guys, my face looks really dewy right now. Foundation looks great, except for it's a little dark on me. Not a little dark, but way too dark. Concealer feels great too. So I'm gonna powder my face right now. So this is the same color as the foundation. So let's see if this is gonna make this foundation way more darker. Let me get a mirror. Alright, so I'm gonna use this brush. This is the brush from, what brush is this? Milani Cosmetics. Oh, right. Oh wow, so you can see guys, it's like soft matte. Oh my god, I'm actually very impressed with this. Doesn't look cakey at all, and it actually blurs out right here. Wow, I'm impressed. So I'm gonna so guys, blurs out there. Oh my god. Okay, very impressed with this. Okay, so let me set my other side. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright guys. Oh my god. It blurred out my forehead, my under eyes, right here, the cheeks, or like in between my nose. Oh my god. OMG. I really like this. Oh my god. And didn't make the foundation too dark too. Didn't change the color, even my under eyes. Oh my god. I think I have a new favorite now. Oh my god. Yeah, those are okay. Okay, so I think I'm almost done. I'm just gonna apply these products on my face, the LYS bronzer and cream blush. And then I'm gonna tell you my thoughts about this new powder, because oh my goodness, it felt very creamy, like no powder at all. Very creamy. So yeah, very lightweight. Yeah, I'll be right back. Highlighter, I'm also wearing the Dior, not this one, the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette in pure gold, that was on my inner corners. Alright, so here is my makeup right now. I haven't worn the makeup for a while. I haven't worn the makeup for like an hour, like maybe less than 30 minutes. How my face looks right now. I do not use artificial smoothing. I mentioned this one a couple times here on my channel. Do not use smoothing filter on my camera, just in artificial lighting in my house. And this is how my face looks like. It blurred out like right away, guys. When I applied the powder, blurred out both sides right here under my eyes, my forehead, my chin. As you can see, guys, it doesn't look cakey, powdery, doesn't look makeupy. I'm very impressed with this. Especially I have dry skin. I like the ambient lighting powder from not Tatcha, Hourglass. Yeah, I know some people not a big not big fan of the brand. This one's closest to the ambient lighting powder from Hourglass. I kind of like this one a little bit better, way better, I should say, way better than the Tatcha Silk powder, because I mean the Tatcha one, I have been using that one for almost, I think, 5 days, and just a little cakey on me. I like Tatcha. They are very nice. They're always nice to their customers, but they always, nice to me. I mean, I haven't, really met the owner, but they always like, interact with their customers. So that's one thing I like about Tatcha. But I'm not gonna lie, I really like this powder, guys, better. It's a little cakey on my dry skin. I think if you have dry skin, you're gonna like this powder because it's very lightweight and also doesn't look cakey at all. If you're looking for like a non-cakey finishing powder, I know this is very expensive, guys. I mean, you do not need to get this one, but if you like, if you're the type of person that like to spend a little bit more on your complexion products, I highly recommend this powder. I highly recommend this one. Although they only have 10 shades, but it's so sheer. I mean, it doesn't, look anything like nothing on the face. So I think I'm gonna keep the shade 3N, but I'm gonna change the shade of my foundation because it's just way too dark. This is just way too dark for me, the foundation, not the powder. I'm gonna keep this one because I noticed it did not change the color of my foundation and concealer. I mean, I'm very impressed with the powder foundation so far. I really like it, and the concealer. So yeah, those are all my thoughts, and let me know, guys, if you're interested about your powder to powder, no powder to powder. um yeah, not powder. So let me know, guys, if you're interested about Dior's new product, and let me know if you tried anything from the Dior. What are you guys, I mean, like, opinions about the Dior's new product. So this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.